Sometimes we think change must happen fast. But the truth is, transformation is built step by step. In this video, discover the power of small daily actions and how they lead to big results over time. Life often feels overwhelming when we look at the big picture. We dream of better health, a stronger career, a happier life. But when we see how far we have to go, we feel discouraged. But here's the truth. Great change doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from small, steady steps. Think about it. A tree doesn't grow overnight. It starts as a seed. Watered daily, growing quietly until one day it provides shade, fruit, and life. Your dreams work the same way. Every small action you take, no matter how tiny, pushes you forward. 1 page a day turns into a finished book. 10 minutes of walking each day becomes a healthier body. 1 kind word spoken daily builds stronger relationships. You don't need to rush. You don't need to compare yourself with anyone else. You only need to keep moving, step by step. And here's the beautiful part. Those little steps create momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds consistency. And consistency creates transformation. So today, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for everything to be ready. Just start. Take 1 small step toward the life you want. Because small steps, taken every day, lead to big changes that will surprise even you. Remember this. You don't need to change your life overnight. You only need to start today. Remember, it's not about how fast you climb. It's about not giving up. Take your small steps every single day, and soon, you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. If this message inspired you today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly motivation. Because together, we'll keep moving forward, 1 step at a time.